If you are still fading Robinhood meme coins, or you think we can't make money because we're not in a bull market, this video should tell you otherwise. Because today, guys, we're taking a look at a Robinhood meme coin that is going against all odds and it is pumping. And this chart looks like it won't stop. If you don't know what project I'm talking about, it is none other than Good in the Hood. Welcome to today's video. My name is Ro. By the end of this, if you like what you see, consider subscribing. And as always, this is not financial advice, but let's get straight into today's video. So, guys, I mean, just look at this chart. What an insane godlike candle, okay? Guys, from $357,000 market cap all the way up to $2.08 million, fully diluted valuation, sitting at 2.5 million. But the craziest part is, tell me how we have $300,000 in liquidity. This is one of the most liquid meme coins that is out there, and it looks like the people that are holding it does not want to sell. Now, the reason behind that is, guys, a lot of the people who work on this team are the same people that worked on a meme coin called Midas from the base ecosystem. If you guys remember that, you know that it ran very close to $10 million market cap, and you can see Good in the Hood is trying to mimic that, is trying to replicate that. And guys, I made a video on this 13 days ago, right? It's only been out for about 2 weeks now. And at the time of recording, it was sitting at around $402,000 market cap. And the craziest part, guys, of this is that I have been tweeting about this project all the time. If you follow me on X, if you don't, make sure you go ahead and do that. I was talking about how, good afternoon, everyone, pumping hard today, liquidity pool locked, running several contests, 1 million market cap is loading. And this was when this project was only at $250,000 market cap. A 10x is literally right around the corner. And the cool part is, they already got a BitGet. They're available on BitGet wallet, right? And some sick thing that I saw that they posted, guys, is this cool animation over here. Now, I really want you guys to check this out because I think it looks sick. Just another evening for the Guardian of the Hood. Good saw the flames. Good saw the cat. Good handled business. Got a little homie out the window safe just for the streets to have other plans. Damn, I can't save them all. Indeed, even an OG takes an L sometimes. Still watching over the block. Still doing good in the hood. Now, this was kind of funny because he was talking about base meme coins, which I think is hilarious. But Good in the Hood, guys, is a project that I would definitely recommend that you guys go check out. At least add it to your watch list, because I'm not a financial advisor, right? I can't tell you guys what to go out there and spend your money on. But at the end of the day, guys, this is a project that if you were to buy into it just a couple weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, you would be up over a 10x. Now, full transparency, I did call this inside of our Discord. I called this in our Discord, guys, at sub $100,000 market cap, and people have been printing off of this. I'll leave some screenshots on the video for you guys because a lot of people have been asking me. I say that a lot of my members are killing it, but I don't show the proof. So I'm going to put some screenshots up on the thing, guys, because listen, I'm telling you, the worst possible thing that you could do right now is try to do crypto alone. So if you want to be a part of a community, join the inner circle. This is my private Discord group, and I would love to see you guys inside of there. Now, as for the overall crypto market, you can see that it is pretty bullish. Overall, crypto is pumping again. Bitcoin very close to $70,000, which is something that I love to see. And again, guys, you love to hear all the time. This time is different. Bitcoin is not going to bottom. Bitcoin bottomed in February. Bitcoin is not done dumping. We hear this all the time. And if you've been following me on X, you know I like to say that I think that Bitcoin will bottom around Q4. Now, we are a little bit early, right? Because my personal hypothesis, my personal thesis is that it'll happen somewhere around October. But even if we are a month and a half early, guys, that is still pretty close. Now, do I think this is the bottom for crypto as a whole? No, but could it be? Absolutely, because it is very well close, right? Maybe about 90 days, 60 days, not even 90 days, sorry, just about 30 to 45 days away from October. So it technically could be the bottom, guys. We could be off by 45 days, which isn't the end of the world. But I still believe, guys, we have a little bit more downside. I think this isn't a fake out. I think it's retesting some of the highs that Bitcoin had, the local highs. Ethereum crushing it as well, sitting at $2,245. Absolutely insane. In the last 24 hours, pumping from the lows of 1900 all the way above $2,200, which is crazy because it's been hovering in this area for so stinking long, guys. It's literally for over a month, right? I can literally go back. Let's see. From about June 5th, hovering within that area all the way to August 17th. So basically over 2 months. If you guys are still here, still watching these videos, all I want to say is thank you for showing up. And for those of you that actually bought into Good in the Hood, give yourself a pat on the back because you are crushing it right now. Also, guys, Fear and greed index sitting at 55. We're very close to getting into greed levels. And just keep that in mind for the overall crypto market, because this is momentum that's going to push us into the next run. Okay, now for Good in the Hood specifically, I think this is easily a $5 million+ meme coin. If it does anything like what Midas did, Midas got $7.5 million market cap. I believe that Good in the Hood has a very strong chance, guys, to break over that $10 million mark. And I wouldn't be surprised if that happens sooner rather than later. I was thinking that 5 million was going to come by the end of this year, but it looks like 5 million could literally happen by tomorrow. Now, this isn't financial advice, but if you guys took anything from this video and you enjoyed it, make sure you smash that like, subscribe. I'm on a grind to 20,000 subscribers. I don't know why we haven't hit it yet. We're so close. So if you guys haven't, please, please, please make sure to do that. And as always, guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm only here to entertain and to educate you guys. And if that has worked, then hey, amazing. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all, and peace out.